Hey everyone, and welcome to the third part of my Mad Father playthrough, and by god, I'm loving this series so much, and I hope that you guys are too. So without further ado, let's go into Mad Father once more. Now in the last episode, we got through all of the, dangers and that from Mount Horror down here, whatever the hell he was. So let's now see what lies yonder beyond that point. Crowley! Crowley! Okay. The laboratories and so far. I'm gonna check down here. Taxidermy room. Yep. What's that? Light of all sorts of strangeness. Strange danger everywhere. Strange tools for experiments. No, thank you. Do not laugh in my ear. Strange tools for experiments. Okay. Oh. No. Gross. I don't know what some of this even is. I'd say ones with 2 heads, loads of eyeballs, and 2 blue apples. This probably contains unknown things. Please let them know. Unknown things. Bottle with 2 eyeballs. I picked up an eyeball bottle. Are you kidding me? Oh man. Fine, I'll take you with... Wait, I didn't check that. Is there something in there? Oh. Okay, I've got a wooden bucket now. Okay, basement floor 1, laboratory. Okay, let's go. Maria! Mistress. You're wounded. But I will be fine. Forget me. Escape somewhere safe. It is dangerous here. Where's Father? I heard him scream from my room. I'm saved, Doctor. Oh God, she... Oh. He can't go with that wound. But, Maria, what happened to Father? The Doctor, his father, his wife, she... Oh, his wife. My mom? What do you mean, Maria? Wait, what? Dot. Maria! Why, it seems she's passed on. Oh, hello, Topham Hatt. Really? At any rate, it sounds like your father has gone on ahead. Deeper into the underworld. What did Maria see? All passed away, right? What's going on here? Don't tell me the curse. You'll only be able to confirm your suspicions by pressing on. What a weird... Yeah, I was thinking that as well. What a weird guy. Okay. Rhea, come on. She's fainted. Come on, wake up. What? Something under her skirt. There's a room key under Maria's skirt. I was surprised she didn't find more. What the hell? Was she commando or something? What did I just say? Oh no, please don't go commando, it's very chilly. What if I name things? Okay. Yeah, it stinks. Yeah, my dad's definitely Leatherface, I think. Blood soaks through the sack. Oh god. A pile of sturdy wood crates. Okay, let's go. Oh. Father. Oh, what? Hello, you've been stabbed in the chest. Are you alright, Mama? Mama? Is that you? Wait! That violence creeping my ears. No, wait. Is that really Mom? There's no way I must have been. That was Mom. Why was he Mom? It must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? Oh, there you are, top of that. This tragedy was brought about by the power of a woman's curse. It has to be a woman that has done it. The malice for your father. That malice turned to a curse, seeking out your father's death. Wow, God. Could that woman be? So you do realise? Yes, your mother. But it can't be. Why do you think that? Because Mum loved Father. Mum even understood Father's work. And Father loved Mum in return. Wasn't Mum happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against Father. Oh, sorry, the mouse is in the way. Sorry about that, guys. But maybe Mum didn't like Father. No. I don't want it to be true. So you're going for it? There was a gem in that room. Go back. I need to get the gem. Mortuary. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that gem. But no, leave me alone. Oh, there were lots of dead bodies here. There were lots of dead bodies. Not brave enough. I don't blame you for not being brave enough to look inside. Hello? Where is body? Why is the head talking to me? Come on, let's go. Wow. Hey dude, I think I found your body. What? Stay away. Yeah, stay away. Damn it. Come on, here's your head. Come on. Where his body is on its way. Come on, shake that funky ass. Come on, shake the funky ass. Found it. Yeah, just stick it on like that. Fair enough. Ooh. Thanks, Mrs. Okay. Ooh, gem! How many gems have I got? I've got 8 out of 21. Ooh, I'm doing good. Okay, let's go. That person looks so sad. Where'd he go? Big bow. Yeah, let's follow him. Because why the hell not? Why wouldn't I follow? Oh, back in Vinhel Murder. I just realised it's an M, not a W this whole time. Murder. Din Vale Murder. Okay, I'll stop. I'm gonna go follow him. Wait. Where are you taking me? Run away from Ghosty Kid. He went this way. I guess I'm going out. What? What's that? Something here. A pendant. What do I do with the pendant? Why are you... I think he was trying to say something. Use the wrong key. Okay, what room is it? Maria's room. Oh, is this Maria's room? Oh, that's brilliant. Dang, she doesn't get a lot of things. I found it. Ooh, a diary. So, I think that's really cool that she crawled out of the book now. I think that's really cool. Could this be Maria's diary? Read the diary. Oh, yes. Let's read the diary. Doctor, it has been a year to this day since I came to this mansion. I will never forget that day. dramatic music. Please. Dang, she's like a stray cat. Somebody. Somebody. What are you doing, dirty doctor? Where are you looking? She could be a fine subject for some work. It's pitiful to see one so skinny. Come to my home, please. I'll give you clothes and delicious meals. It's a trap! And she was supposed to die horribly, apparently. I don't know how to feel about that. Stay here for a little while. I'll tell my family about you. Oh my god, she looks really young in it. I have a wife and a girl, Tony said. So this is about 3 years ago then. Okay. I'm sure they would welcome you. Oh, just lovely. Oh, that's the ghost. Is this person like me? Well, from injuries, what's that? Perhaps I can do something. Isn't he old? But does he when she turns aside, she looks fat. I'm just imagining too much, aren't I? Whoa! This girl would be enough cloth. But the only other cloth I have. Whoa! Jesus, did she go stark almost? Yeah, she kept on pants at least. Oh, so she's he's alive. I'm surprised. He was about to die, but he recovered overnight. It seems he was given excellent treatment. Did you treat him? Yes. How handy. You're exceptionally talented. Please, I couldn't let this go to waste. What's your name? I am Maria. Maria? An appropriate name. Maria, would you be my assistant? Huh? I do not wish to lose you. Please, stay with me. That's probably why your wife hates you, mate. You just confessed to a young girl that you just picked up the street. Well, I'm not going to complain, let's move on. Well, will you entrust me with the rest of your life? He sounds like he's freaking confessing and marrying her off at this very second after saving one test subject. Dang. Yes. No wonder she loves him a lot. He saved her life without knowing that he was going to kill her. I was so happy. So happy you saved me. I was alone. As long as I needed, I was staying with you. How would I live without you? I love you, Doctor. Dang, she's got the hearts for the crazy doctor. Dot. I never really knew anything about Maria after all. Maria must really love Father too. Is that all? Nothing else? Yesterday I encountered a young boy. He was very lonely, even more so than the mistress. But the moment he saw me, he ran off crying. Is my face indeed so frightening? The mistress always seemed scared of me as well. I suppose it's the eyes. Well, I'm sure it's that the mistress dislikes me. It cannot be helped. I did take away the doctor. Surely I could not replace another. Oh, is that what he means by late? So Maria's gonna be my late mother, and well, she don't want it. Gee, that was deep. Okay, now to go back to where I was. It's a good thing I found it. No! I forgot about Walking Dead. Go back to Crowley, go back to Crowley. I don't know what happened, come here. Crowley, okay. Do not want to walk past Mr. Zombie Guy again. It's a funny ladder sound right there. Okay, so is there anything stack up crates? Fill the jug, fill the jug. Who are you? A dilapidated shelf. She was looking at something there. Can I read this like an apple? Yeah, I can. Cool. Okay, let's stop. Oh, I can go to the roof now. Oh, cool. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go to the roof. Let's see what I can find in the attic. Okay. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Okey doke. I don't know what to say right now, guys. I'm sorry about this being that episode quick. Snowball, I'm back in here. Snowball, come with me. Snowball's right. Oh no, I can't take Snowball with me again. What's the trick? Hello, Mom. Why did you try and take Daddy again? Or Father? Or Leatherface? I don't know which. Either way, he's still crazy. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Right, ladder. Yes! Right, let's go up. Let's go up. Why didn't we just do 2 block flashes? Got a gem again. So that's 10 out of 21. I'm doing alright. Okay, I'm gonna have to say, this is Sparta! Yes! This is Sparta, this is, yes! This is... a mini chainsaw! A mini freaking chainsaw! Ah, have I got me a weapon? I've got me a weapon. I got me a mini chainsaw! Oh, I'm gonna have fun tonight. Okay, special key to equip chainsaw, so it's either C or Shift or confirm key is Z or Enter or space. Okay, so C and space for me. Okay. This is gonna chainsaw. When equipped to the confirm thing, make sure to make I swing the chainsaw down. Certain objects, barrels, empty crates can be destroyed this way. Can be used to attack. Oh no! I can't attack enemies. Be aware that you can't open the menu or check objects with the chainsaw out. Okay. How nostalgic. I remember Father scolding me for playing with this once. Why are you playing with a mini chainsaw in the first place? Why would a father have a freaking mini chainsaw? Vroom, vroom. Oh. Aya, what are you doing swinging that around? Sorry. Oh, man. Ah, nice piano music. This is no toy. It's a very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like this again. Wow, he's actually really responsible. Wow. Sorry, Father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Why does it look like his mouth's like covered, but he's actually got the thing on his mouth? Where on earth did you find this, Sire? I'm sorry, Father. Okay, I got me a chicken. Wait, it said to use it on barrels. Can I use it on these ones again? I got me chainsaw. Come on, let me kill you. Come in. I'm turning crazy. Okay. I'm coming up to the end there, guys, so let me find Mr. Crowley and I'll save it for now. That's all I had to say. Actually, do you know what? I'll keep going for another 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Feel like no, feel like I'm wait, no. Wait, it's something. I'm gonna get dragged away. Oh no, I went to press the Windows button. No, I pressed the wrong down button. Let me go. No, that was unfair. I just pressed I pressed the Windows button by accident. I thought I was gonna shit it. I thought I was gonna die. Tell me to run it down. Thank you. Wait, can I destroy the other barrels quick, please? Yeah, it's a barrel. Let me chop it, please. Oh. Why can't I get out of here? Oh, that sucks. Alright, let's go. Oh, I actually almost gave myself a heart attack. Okay, nothing out there. Okay, there were barrels in there, weren't there? Okay, I'm gonna save it here, guys, and well, get my sanity back because I pressed the damn wrong button. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm ending it here in the open room, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the series so far. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video whenever I can. Solid shout, guys.